Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanadia. Welcome to Toshni Institute. Today, we are going to do angel guidance for July 3rd week. So, starting with Aries. Aries, this is the card for you. So, Aries, angel is trying to tell you that you have to, somewhere you have to spread your boundaries, you have to spread your consciousness, you have to spread yourself because you are somewhere you're underestimating your own self. So you need to know what you are, you need to know your true self, you need to spread yourself so that you can grow and you can be successful in your life. You're very intelligent, you're very confident, you have a lot of warmth within you. But what is the use of it if you're not able to utilize it? So somewhere you have to utilize this title. So you need to understand that where your strengths are. Your strengths are in your independency. Your strength is your own being your own self. So just understand that and keep moving so that you can bring the utmost goal of your life. So the affirmation for you is I choose to get away of my inner strength. I choose to get away of my inner strength. Next is Taurus. This is the card for you. Taurus, angels are guiding you, saying that you're doing too much work. And when you're doing too much work, you're burdening yourself. You're leaving a lot of your energies. When you're doing that, you are limiting your goals. You're limiting your boundaries with that. So this is the time to ask for help, spread your boundaries, widen your boundaries, and ask for help. Because asking for the help is going to bring the growth and it's going to add in your success. So it's better to ask for the help and bring the balance that is needed. So when you ask for the help, when you have helping hands around you, so there will be a lot of balance and there will be a lot of movement in your life. To bring that movement, you have to ask for help. So make a team. So when you make a team, your work is going to be divided and your profits are going to be double out of it. So whether it is professional or personal life, stress out yourself for asking help. Okay. And also take care of your health because doing too much is also creating little health issues. So it could be stress, it could be tension as well. So the affirmation for you is I choose to receive help from everywhere I need. I choose to receive help from everywhere I need. Okay, next is Gemini. This is the card for you. Gemini, your universe is asking you that take the guidance of the angel is always with you. You don't have to worry at all. Angels are always with you. You have been guided, you have been supported, you have been taken care. The only thing is like you need to bring the balance in your life. You have to bring lot of balance and you also need to bring lot of cooperation in your life. There is a difference between cooperating and compromising, right? So you need to understand where you can cooperate and bring the betterment in your life and where you need to compromise and bring the growth in your life. So you need to understand this and you have to work accordingly. If you're going to do that, then you're going to see that slowly, each and everything will fall in place. It might take time, but it will fall in place. Right? So the affirmation for you is I choose to have balance inside and outside me. I choose to have balance inside and outside me. Okay. Next is Cancer. Cancer, this is the card for you. So, Cancer, angel is trying to tell you that you have to be very careful with the decisions that you're making, especially towards choosing people, because your decision could be, wrong if you're not taking it wisely. If you're saying it is not about that you have to choose, means you have to let the people in is going to be wrong. Even letting go of the people could also be wrong. So you have to choose very wisely, be very careful before you choose because this is the time to choose people wisely in your life. And this is also the time to bring the perfect harmony in the body so that you can create the better health for you. So be careful and take decisions wisely. So the affirmation for you is I allow the vibrant relationships and health inside me. I allow the vibrant health and relationships within me. Hmm. Next is Leo. This is the card for you. So Leo, here the universe is saying you that you have to take lot of professional help if it is needed to let go of your childhood traumas, to let go of your childhood issues. Because whatever struggles you're facing right now is especially coming from the past. Past that is your inner child when you were growing up. There's a lot of past traumas that is actually affecting you. And this is the time to take the help of the angels and come out of it. So angels are there with you, but this is the perfect time to choose and overcome your childhood traumas and childhood memories. If you're doing that, then you are going to see the perfect peace and harmony coming in your life. So the affirmation for you is I allow myself to heal my childhood. I allow myself to heal my childhood. Hmm. Next is Virgo. This is the card for you. Virgo, here, angel is saying you that, there is lot of abundance coming in your life. There's lot of flow of abundance. There's lot of fuel flow of energies. There's lot of flow of newness coming in your life. Here, you need to just open your arms and allow these things to come within you. Just be open to receive this abundance, to receive this new energies, to receive this new growth within you, to receive this new happiness within you. Because this is the time for perfect harmony, perfect happiness, perfect abundance for you. So just spread your wings, spread yourself, open your arms and welcome this energy in your life because this is what you have done for yourself. It is not coming automatically. You have worked for it. So now this is the time to allow it to come to you. So the affirmation for you is I allow myself to receive abundance, prosperity, and happiness. I allow myself to receive abundance, prosperity, and happiness. Yes. So next is Libra. Libra, this is the card for you. So Libra, angel is trying to tell you that there's lot of difficult situations that you have faced in past is going to end now. So slowly you're moving towards ending of all your difficult situations and all your difficult moments of your life. So this is the time to bring the change and to bring the things to recover whatever you have lost in your past. So recovering your health, recovering your finances, recovering your relationship, whatever you would like to heal and recover, do that now. Because these changes are going to bring you a lot of happiness and lot of peace within you. There's going to be a lot of calmness within you. So the affirmation for you is I choose to end my struggles and allow the happiness within me. I choose to end my struggles and allow the happiness within me. Next is Scorpio. This is the card for you. Scorpio, your universe is telling you that there's lot of new opportunities coming in your life. So if you're waiting for some new ventures or if you're waiting for new things coming in your life, this is the right time because your life is going to change a lot. So this is the beginning of the new changes in your life. This is not the outcome or the inflow that you've already decided for. This is the new changes, new chapters, new beginnings of your life that is going to lead you towards utmost happiness and joy. So be open, not to be open only, but you have to open the doors. You have to allow the opportunities to come. You have to tap for the opportunities. Go out and get the opportunities that is going to be life changing for you. So the affirmation for you is I allow the opportunities in my life with ease and joy. I allow the opportunities in my life with ease and joy. Yeah. Sagittarius, this is the card for you. So Sagittarius, angels are telling you don't ever think of giving up. We are with you. You are about to reach your path that you have started. It's going to end and you're reaching towards your goals. You are correctly navigated and you are reaching to your path with ease and joy now. Just show little more courage and keep moving. because this little courage is going to put you out of the comfort zone and bring the positive, highest positive changes in your life. Because you have reached here because you have believed in yourself. So go little further, believing that everything is fine, all is well. And this opportunities, this movement, this decisions of moving ahead is going to give you the utmost peace, happiness, and bliss in your life. So the affirmation for you is I choose to keep moving in my life with happiness and joy. I choose to keep moving in my life with happiness and joy. Mm. Next is Capricorn. This is the card for you. So Capricorn, here angels are telling you that you have to bring the blend between your traditional mind and the spiritual mind. You need to understand that roots are very important. Plus, where there is knowledge, there has to be wisdom as well. So you need to choose that your traditional self is very important for you. Plus, you have to bring a lot of spirituality also into it. And you have to also try to go out and get connected with the like-minded people, because you have to connect with the like-minded people so that you can bring and enhance what you already have within you. So this is the time to enhance yourself, not to go for different things. So the affirmation for you is I bring the perfect balance between my traditional and spiritual self. I bring the perfect balance between my traditional and spiritual self. Aquarius, this is the card for you. Aquarius, angels are telling you just because things are not turning out the way you're looking for, just because it is not happening the way you expected. And it is totally agreed that it didn't happen also, but you cannot keep crying over the spilled milk. So stop crying. Stop looking at what has not worked for you. But this is the time to look forward and create the better life for you. Just get up, buckle yourself, and start over again. Starting over again is going to save your time instead of crying over it. So this is the time to let go of what has happened and start and create the perfect things towards yourself. So the affirmation for you is I let go of the past and I begin a new self. I let go of the past and begin new self. Pisces, this is the card for you. So Pisces, angels are trying to tell you that this is the perfect time for you to meditate. Just meditate, spend some time with yourself, allow yourself to relax, and allow yourself to grow spiritually. Read a lot of books and also try to understand and get aware of your own self. More you're doing this, more you're going to feel that you are meant for something. You're going to understand your life purpose, your life learnings. So it's better to meditate, to be with yourself, read the spiritual books, enhance your spirituality, and also relax yourself. Affirmation for you is I allow myself to get aware of my energies. I allow myself to get aware of my energies. So this is it. See you again in another video. Be happy, be safe, and take care. Namaste.